something to power this beast, and we've gone with the MSI Mag A650BN power supply. The MSI power supply is a reliable and efficient entry-level option for gamers and DIY computer enthusiasts. One of its main strengths is its 80+ bronze certification, which ensures up to 85% efficiency, reducing energy consumption and heat generation. This power supply features a 12-volt single-rail design and a DC-to-DC circuit, which enhances voltage stability and overall system performance. The unit includes comprehensive protection mechanisms such as overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, short-circuit protection, overpower protection, and overtemperature protection, ensuring the safety of your components. The 120mm low noise fan with a sleeve bearing provides effective cooling while maintaining quiet operation. With dimensions of 150 by 140 by 86mm, the Mag A650BN fits comfortably in most ATX cases. It is not modular, meaning all cables are fixed, which might be a consideration for those looking for cleaner cable management. Backed by a 5-year warranty, this power supply offers long-term reliability and peace of mind. So that sums up the PC build I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.